Hi everybody, I'm Dr. GREESHMA. Today the subject I'm discussing with you is a requested subject from one of my client, one of my patient. They request me to do a slimming diet. So I'm doing an Ayurvedic slimming diet, like a daily routine slimming diet, along with some Ayurveda tips to maintain the body weight or to reduce the overweight. So, we know in the present society or the present life, we are very much conscious about our health, and also we are so much conscious about our diet. Everyone wants a zero size body structure, but with our present life, busy daily life and daily routines, we can't manage to be size zero like everyone, and also we can't maintain our diet also. Everyone want to be the perfect in their body structure. But if we are seriously thinking, are we doing anything to reduce the body weight, or are we doing seriously any workout, or we are concentrating our diet to reduce the body weight? Actually, no. So today I'm discussing like a daily regimen, a daily Ayurvedic diet to reduce the body weight. First of all, according to Ayurveda, we are telling wake up early in the morning, at least 6 o'clock. 6:30 you have to wake up. After that, after fresh up and everything, do a slight yoga. Like if you know the Surya Namaskara, sun salutation, it will be very effective to maintain our body structure and to reduce the excess fat, to break down the fat. So after doing that, if it's possible, you can have a brisk morning walk, like a 10 minutes or 15 minutes morning walk is enough. After that, if you can, do some stretching exercise. Otherwise, it's not necessary. After the walk and yoga, everything, just take a relaxation for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you can have a drink, a special drink, Ayurvedic drink. Take a glass of warm water and put 1 teaspoon of honey in that. Squeeze a half lemon along with a pinch of cinnamon powder. So it's a mix. First you have to take a warm water, a glass of warm water, in that 1 teaspoon of honey, a half lemon squeeze over there, and a pinch of cinnamon powder. Stir it well. Make that drink and you can drink that liquid, that special liquid. It's very good to reduce the fat, and it very good to reduce the body weight also. It will increase your metabolism, and it will break down the fat also. So that you have to take at least 30 minutes before breakfast. After drinking that, wait for 30 minutes. You can do your daily routines, and if you're working, you can do whatever things in your house and everything. After that, you have to take your breakfast. Breakfast you have to finish by 8:30. So in that breakfast, you can have some sliced fruits and also some fruit juices and all, or sometimes vegetable juices. The juices like cucumber juice is very good, carrot juice, and also you can have some orange, and the stem of banana along with some cumin powder. It's very good to reduce the fat, and it's a very good fiber rich. So that all things you can have along with some sliced fruits in the morning, like apple, 2 or 3 pieces of apple, and some green grapes, and also some oranges, like that. Along with that, you can have some one dosha or anything like that, like in pancakes or bread also, toasted bread, along with some honey, or the dosha with some honey, or a small piece curry with any protein rich curry or any curry leaf curry that you can have in the morning. After the breakfast of 8:30, you can have a light snacks at 11 o'clock, because according to Ayurveda, it's necessary to take the breakfast. That first of all I want to tell you, don't skip the breakfast, or don't skip any meal. If you are skipping the meal and body reducing weight is not a good idea. So you have to take the meal, the 3 times or 4 times or 5 times meal you have to take, but you can reduce the quantity. By reducing the quantity and taking the correct meal, it will make your metabolism in a normal rate, and it will not secrete too much fat over your body. The energy will synthesize as ATP, and you can use in your work also. So for that, After the breakfast, you can take a snack like taking some vegetables or some fruits along at the time like 11 o'clock or 11:30. It's like a brunch. Not in the between the breakfast and the lunch, you can take the brunch at like 11:30. Two or three pieces of apple or some oranges that you can have. Don't make you feel too much hungry, or you can feed very little quantity. After that, when you're going for the lunch, you have to finish by 1:30 itself. In the lunch, you can have some, if you're taking rice, you can have a small cup of rice, no problem. In that rice, it's very important to notice one thing: the white rice is little more dangerous than the brown rice. So the brown rice is more advisable. If you like rice, just go for the brown rice. It's very healthy and it is more advisable. So along with the brown rice, you can have some curry like some leaf curries or some protein rich like chickpeas or beans like that. And also if you are using vegetables more, it's very good. And more fiber rich vegetables is very good to reduce the body weight and maintain your digestion. And you can have some fishes also. Some small fishes, everything you can have, no problem. And one time or two times in a week, you can have some chicken, turkey, no problem. But just avoid the red meat. Go for the white meat, it's better. Like chicken, turkey, rabbit, it's no problem. You can have that. After the lunch, you can have a light snacks like in the time of evening 4 o'clock or 4:30. Again, you can have some cut vegetables like some salads or some soup. Some vegetable soup also you can have at that time, like the tomato soup or cucumber soup, carrot soup, like that you can have at the 4 o'clock time. It's also very good because you are not making your stomach too much hungry. You're feeding in a minimum quantity, so your digestion will go normal. And I will tell you one thing also. After the taking the vegetables or the fruit cuts at 4 o'clock, we can again have a light walking, like any evening walk, a small exercise, not too much bigger, like a brisk walking for 10 to 15 minutes is enough. And you can do some relaxation, some breathing exercise or some meditation that time also. That will make your mind so calm, so cool, and it will help for a good sleep. Your mind will be like a peace and you will fall asleep very fastly. So next we are going for the dinner section. It's a very important thing because you have to finish your dinner by 8 o'clock. That means at least 2 hours before you are sleeping. Because after taking the dinner and directly going for sleep is not a good idea. Because if you are doing that, the fat is absorbed in your body, not like the energy or the ATP. It will secrete in your body itself. So it's necessary to take the dinner at least 2 hours before you are sleeping. So for the dinner, it's always take a light dinner than the breakfast and the lunch. So for the dinner section, you can have some ragi. Ragi means red millet, or some rava, or that is a it's a derivative from the wheat, or some wheat chapatis or rotis. Avoid too much salt and too much spicy and too much oily thing. You can have two ragi, that is red millet dosha, so like pancake, that batter you can make the dosha, and it's very good for the digestion and it contains more fiber rich. So it is not accumulated as fat in your body. So you can have that along with some vegetable curries or leafy vegetable curries, so it's everything good for the dinner time. And you can have a small glass of milk also. You can take the milk, half glass of milk along with a half glass of water, make it like 1 glass, and you can drink that. It's very good to promote your sleep in the night. So this is the meal for the day. And the very important thing I want to tell you is you have to drink a lot of water, like at least 3 to 4 liters of water you have to drink. Because if you are drinking more water, only your digestion will be in the normal, your metabolism will be in the normal, and your body has to maintain your fat and to maintain your digestion, the metabolism. So the proper excretion, proper digestion, everything make your structure like that. But not skipping anything, not skipping any meal, it's not a good idea to reduce the body weight. So if you're following this, you can maintain your body, you can maintain your metabolism and the digestion, and it will be very effective for making you healthy, like a healthy slimming. You can feel your body, you can feel the healthiness and freshness of your body. Along with you can slim that, you can reduce, you can eliminate the unwanted fat from your body. So, and one more tip I want to tell you, because if you are the main problem with the vegetarians or the main problem with the slimming is gas formation or bloating in your stomach, because if you are taking too much of vegetables and veggies and leaf curries like that, whenever you are taking that, I will tell you one tip, that you can sprinkle some black pepper powder, black pepper powder. You can sprinkle some powder, black pepper powder over the salads and vegetables, and you can squeeze a half lemon over that, mix very well, and you can eat. It's very good to avoid the gas formation and the bloating in your stomach. So it will maintain the digestion. So this is a small, like a daily slimming diet in a very nutshell form. Hope you understand the video and hope you like the video. If you have any doubts or anything regarding the slimming and how to maintain your diet, you can just comment or you can just mail me. I will definitely reply you. And if you want I'm telling for my Malayali subscribers, if you want this video in Malayalam, please comment me. I will do it in Malayalam also. If you like the video, please put the like button, and if you like my channel, please subscribe it. We can see with another video next time. It's bye and thank you.